guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be unboxing these viral squishies covered in wax.
Yep, and we got these squishies from GMD. GMD is a store where there's cleaning products, there's bracelets for babies, there's crafting stuff, there's squishies, there's baskets, there's everything.
There's basically everything.
It's an everything
It's
store.
our favorite store so far because there's so much viral squishies. So let's get started.
Yep, this is how they look like in the package.
She got the Dubai chocolate one, and I got the, I think it's just a pink one. A pink.
This is how they look out of it.
Ooh, that looks so nice. Okay, let's take it out. This is the container. Let's just put it
I'm gonna put it on the ground.
Okay. It looks so nice.
2.
Do yours first. Do yours first.
Okay, 5, 3, 2. I'm gonna put it in halfway.
I think it's slime.
It's falling on the ground.
Oh my gosh, that feels so nice.
That's such a good slime. Sorry, that's the washer.
That looks so good.
I
Okay,
love it.
my turn. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
That sounded so good. It kind of looks yummy, low key. I don't want to eat it.
We are definitely waxing more slimes. And we are definitely going back to that store because that crunch was so
That pink is so
satisfying.
pretty.
I know.
Mine is Dubai chocolate, that's why it's green. But I think I might get a pink.
Wait, let me get a little wax part. Look.
Wait,
It's
I got a wax part. Okay, and that's pretty much the video.
Dude, that sounds so nice. Just hear it.
Mine wasn't as good.
Mine was a really good crunch.
So that's pretty much the video.
Thank you guys for watching. This is the best store ever.
Go
It's
shop at
so
GMG.
legit. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Bye.